Multimeters can help you check the voltage, amperage, and other units of measurement. So, let's have a look at some of the best multimeters available. Hi guys! Welcome to Best Gadgets. We've got the top 5 best multimeters for you today. You can buy it at the links in the description below the video. Number 5. The AstroAI AM33D Multimeter is the best affordable multimeter, which any electrician should not miss. It's $13 at Amazon.com. The AstroAI AM33D Digital Multimeter is the perfect accessory for die wires and beginning electricians alike. Convenient features like a backlit LCD, data hold function, and built-in kickstand make the AM33D easy for anyone to use. It is a digital multifunctional multimeter that measures resistance, AC/DC voltage, diode, and DC. It can work both for home or industrial electrical connection problems within no time. The multimeter will help electricians work on fuses, charging systems, automotive circuit troubleshooting, and testing for car electronics. The accuracy level of this multimeter makes it a reliable device. It's good for troubleshooting various problems as it's got a fast speed of 2 times a second. New with dual fuses. With the double fuse protection, it gets more secure and reliable. This multimeter is designed with safety in mind, having overload protection on all ranges. It has a built-in kickstand. This multimeter consists of high-quality materials that make it strong. It has a silicon cover case that makes it durable. It has a strong grip at the edge, enabling hands-free operation, while the kickstand will prevent falling. The data hold function. When taking measurements and recording results, it is often easier to use the data hold function to freeze the data being displayed on the digital display. The inbuilt backlit LCD is ideal for working in darker areas. It has a 2000 count with 31 per 2 digits, plus high polarity comprising both positive and negative readings. The low battery indicator is A+ to the user as they'll know when to recharge and avoid leaving the job halfway. Anyone is safe using this multimeter as it's got a continuity buzzer that produces alarming sounds when there are faulty connections, and it also has a Cat 3 safety rating of 300 volts. Number 4. Klein Tools 69149P Multimeter Test Kit, the best multimeter test kit, with a $40 price. If you want or need the whole electrical testing range, then this Klein Tools kit comes with everything you need. The kit includes a multimeter that measures DC current, AC/DC voltage, and resistance, a non-contact voltage tester that detects voltage from 50 to 1000 volts AC, and a receptacle tester with LED lights indicates wiring problems. The MM300 comes ready to go with 6 AAA batteries included, along with tester leads and everything else you need. The non-contact voltage tester NCVT1P has a bright green LED to indicate the tester is working. It changes to red and audible tones sound when voltage is detected from 50 to 1000 volts AC power operating range. The receptacle tester RT105 detects wiring configurations and indicates correct wiring, and identifies common wiring faults. It identifies open ground, open hot, open neutral, hot or ground reversed. It does not indicate the quality of ground, multiple hot wires, or a combination of defects. The Klein Tools MM300 Digital Multimeter 600 volts manual ranging is designed to measure AC/DC voltage up to 600 volts, 10 ampere DC current, and 2 megohms resistance. This multimeter features continuity, diode, and battery testing, a tough design capable of withstanding drops up to 3.3 feet, data hold, and low battery indication. The Klein Tools MM300 is a good choice for a tough and reliable digital multimeter. So, if you want to skip all the wrong choices and pay an affordable price for a matching set, then Klein has your back with their electrical test kit. Number 3. The Fluke 117 Electricians True RMS Multimeter, the best premium choice on our list. The Fluke 117 is a great model to buy, at a price of $250. Among the many brands that offer multimeters on the market, Fluke is considered the best by many electricians. The Fluke 117 meter is a simple and versatile tool that can measure frequency, current, voltage, capacitance, and many other tests. With its True RMS feature, expert electricians can depend on this meter to give them precise and reliable readings. It is shock resistant and built with the best materials. In addition, it has a backlit display that allows the user to read test outcomes even in the dark. The backlit display has its own button, and you shouldn't worry when you are in a well-lit area. The Fluke 117V alert feature will tell you whether a circuit is live without actually touching the leads to it. This non-contact voltage detection makes locating dead circuits less of a hassle because it's hands-free. That's a time saver that makes the electrician's job just a little bit safer. This includes the well-indicated buttons, compact design, and wonderful grip. Also, the non-contact voltage detection makes it possible for newbies and DIY to conduct tests without any fear. In case you don't have a place to write the results of any test you carry out, you can always use these features to store the readings. All you have to do is to press the button for it to hold the readings for you up to the next session. When the device is not in use for 15 minutes, the device shuts off on its own. This Fluke model has a 3-year limited warranty, which is great for such a quality and affordable digital multimeter tool. It has a nice grip and just weighs 1.3 pounds. In addition to this, it has safety features like the magnet hanger and as well it's Cat 3 safety rated. Number 2. INNOVA 3320 Auto-Ranging Digital Multimeter, the best value multimeter on this list. You can get it at around $35. A good selling point is the auto-ranging, which automatically selects the correct measurement range. Can be easy for novices, and faster for professionals. The most eye-catching facet of the 3320 multimeter is its large, clear display in digits. Although it is not backlit, this is an impressive feature for the price of the unit nonetheless. Labels are clearly displayed, such as MV and AC, and there is also a low battery icon indicator. A nice touch is the color coding of the various ranges. The battery check is enclosed in a green module, contrasted with red for DCV and blue for milliamps. The 10 megohms input impedance. It's safe for electrical and automotive use, and prevents damage to the vehicle's ECU. Measurement types and ranges. AC/DC volts, 0 to 600 volts. Resistance, 0 to 20 megohms. DC amps, 0 to 10 ampere. AC amps, 2 to 100 milliampere. Diode test, 0 to 2 volts. Continuity test, 0 to 200 ohms. The small battery load tester is the main selling point, and features color-coded LEDs for clarity. This is one of the most useful functions of the 3320. It has dedicated checks of 1.5 volts, 6 volts, 9 volts, and 12 volts. With the auto shut-off feature, you'll no longer be worried about coming back to a dead multimeter after leaving it on. Automotive uses include automotive circuits, breakers, wiring, vehicle battery and charging systems, electrical components, and more. Household uses include outlets, fuses, wiring, general-purpose batteries, electronic hobbies, and more. Number 1. The AstroAI True RMS 6000 counts digital multimeter, the best overall digital multimeter on this top, priced at about $37. Its robust design not only travels anywhere, but also features an ergonomic rubber bumper exterior, magnetic hook, and kickstand for ultimate practicality. This multimeter is designed to precisely measure AC and DC voltage, current, resistance, temperature, continuity, and frequency. You'll be pleased to find this DMM also tests capacitance, diodes, and transistors. Precise results are displayed on a clear LCD screen that always returns an accurate reading with the sampling speed of 2 times per second. Convenient features like backlit LCD, data hold function, and built-in kickstand make the 6000 counts DM easy for anyone to use. AstroAI provides extra peace of mind with its included 3-year warranty. The AstroAI Digital Multimeter features built-in explosion-proof and ceramic fuse tubes with double protection. These are a crucial element of the multimeter, protecting against overload. It is Cat 3 600 volts and Cat 2 1000 volts safety certified. A low battery level indicator helps prevent unexpected downtime, and the automatic shut-off feature helps prolong battery life, switching the power off after 15 minutes of inactivity. Alongside these safety features, the AstroAI multimeter is ergonomic and feels sturdy in the hand. With a rubber sleeve, it will tolerate knocks and bumps, and maybe the occasional drop, if it's not from a great height. Your multimeter's range determines its accuracy level. The higher the range, the more precise it will be. Considering that it is categorized in the cheap multimeter category, the AstroAI multimeter offers an impressively high accuracy level.